Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 30th of December 2021. Today we'll be talking about the project under construction by Muwah. First, we'll be talking about the Muwah Baptist Church, which you can see right before us. I'll be showing you inside this building and the work done in it. Also be showing you around it very soon. So now, as you can see, I'll be showing you first the innermost part. As you can see, this is it. The windows have been put around. As you can see, this is it. This is how the innermost part looks like around. And also, we can also see up. The ceiling has been put around it. So this is the Muwah Baptist Church. This is how the innermost part looks like, as you can see. So now, I'll be showing you right before us here is the pulpit. This is it. And here is the baptism pole. As you can see, here is it. And right here, we have the pastor's office. You can see also it's complete. Around beside it too. This restroom. This is it here. So now, here is the back door. So now I'll be showing you around this building. As you can see, this is it. This is how it looks like all around. This is it. And this way too. To front. From back. Right in front, as you can see. So this is the Muwah Baptist Church. So now I'll be showing you the toilet and how the toilet looks like. Right from the distance, we see the toilet. As you can see, this is it. That has been completed. It has been completed. The idea completed, but not roofed.